Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets. Over the weekend, I decided that I wanted to crochet a pillowcase to cover one of my throw pillows for my living room. I did not expect to do I did not expect to share it with you in a video. So I didn't take any pictures as I went along. I didn't, if I would have planned a video around this waffle stitch pillowcase, I would have taken photos of the couch pillow that needed to be covered, each side as I finished, and certain things along the way I would have taken photos of, but I didn't do that because I didn't plan on sharing. Once I finished the pillow, I'm like, I really love this waffle stitch in this type of yarn. I have to share. So that's what I'm doing today. Here is the pillow. Now I will tell you that I'll get to that in a minute. Okay, so here is one side and here is the other side. And it's so soft. It's so soft. You can see the pillow through it though. And let me tell you why. The yarn that I used is the Parfait XL Super Chunky. And this is another skein that I have. And it took a little over a skein each to cover this pillow, but I only had one skein of each color. Now I used the color Sage, and on this color is the color Toffee. And where I only had one skein of each, I ended up having to really stuff the pillow in there and stretch each side of the crocheted pillowcase, which caused it to open up a bit so that you could see the pillow inside. Now, if you end up making sure that you buy more than one skein, then you'll have enough yarn to make it a little larger so that you won't have to pull on it and you won't get those gaps, okay? Now, if you have never crocheted the waffle stitch before and you want to learn, I will leave the link in the description box below to my waffle stitch tutorial, so you can just click on it and go on over and learn. I will also end up putting the video of the waffle stitch, the little thumbnail for you to click on to get on over there. That'll be at the end of this video. So comment below, let me know what you think of this waffle stitch in this bulky yarn. I love the texture, and the yarn is so soft. I love this. That's why I had to share. So until next time, bye.